Welcome back to what is potentially a very boring YouTube video today, in which we try to wrap the front bumper, or at least get the inserts done. So I have my front bumper here. Here's the back side of it. I'm just excuse me, I'm just cleaning everything up. Got some sandpaper, got degreaser and rags over there, got knifeless tape, got an actual knife, I got my wrap, got my temperature sensor, got a heat gun over there. And so the goal is to clean it up, sand it up, get it prepped, and at least get the inlays done. And then if we have time, start wrapping the whole bumper, but we'll see about that. So stay tuned. It'll probably be a lot of time lapse. Could be a short video, could be a long video. Get you up to see. I don't know how to do transitions, by the way. I don't know if they're just weird, or if they're just dumb, or they're stupid. So either of those three options. Anyway, let's wrap. That was probably pretty boring. I just realized that took like a long time to wrap just one tiny inlay. I've only done one of like 6. But yeah, I'll show you guys really quickly and then I'll just get back. I'm probably not gonna just like stick the camera up again and I'll just check in with you guys for each one, because that took a long time because I'm really bad at wrapping. But anyway, this is what it is so far. I just did that little bottom lip on the bumper. I was gonna cut it right there, but honestly I just had the wrap and it seemed easier just to finish going all the way down. And then another thing I like about that is now, instead of there being a line all the way across where it meshes, there'll just be one right here and there, so a lot smaller. It may look a little off, but you know, it works for me. So also the nice part is this red thing I don't need to take super great care of to get in these cracks, because there's going to be a plate that goes over top of that. Because once I deleted the license plate, we'll move the license plate over here, then that was all set to go. So I'm just going to keep grinding on some inlays. I have, let me turn the camera back on and show you. I have this inlay in here, the rest in there, and there, and then I'm still debating what I want to do in here. My guess is I may do one that goes around here and then maybe stops off there, but I'm not entirely sure yet. Still working on ideas for that, but in the meantime I have these to keep me occupied. So that's where we're going with this. I'm thinking this is going to be a 2-day job for me, because I got tomorrow to do a bunch of work on that. Yeah, so I have another video that went up yesterday, or will be there yesterday for you guys. I haven't edited it yet, but it's one that I made a while back, and I'll put that one up, which I don't know why I'm telling you, because it's already up. And then I'll just continue and I'll put this one up, and hopefully by the end of this video it'll be all wrapped. If not, it'll just be inlays, but progress either way. So I'll just get back to work and then catch you guys back up to it when we are caught back up and have more stuff done. Just a quick update. I finished one inlay here. The nice part is this camera has bad quality, or not the greatest, so you can't see how bad it actually looks. But it's not too awful. Some mishaps in there and there, but then again, it's nice and tucked on the backside, so it's not going to come off. Yeah, and then this part right in there that looks a little wonky, I don't even know if you can tell, there's just an inlay there. So I just wrapped it around. I'm sure there's a better way to do it, but I didn't do it that way. So suck it. Alright, going back to work. Gonna try to finish up this section down here, and who knows what's next. Alright guys, this is where it's ending for today. For the wrap, I may hit a little tonight, but probably not. But I got the inlays down there, so that's all inside here wrapped as well. It's just kind of hard to tell with lighting. Inlays there. I got the inlay all here, all this black in there. Hit this area as well. And yeah, that's pretty much set for that. So the next step is probably just to try to wrap the whole thing and see what we can do. So it'll be a nerve-wracking and exciting process, but you know, no way to see what will happen until you try. But that's it for today. Next thing you'll see is probably me updating you guys for tomorrow. So I'll be back. Alright, we're back for day 2 now. Just going to continue wrapping the bumper. When I realized the camera shut off yesterday, so I don't even know if I didn't start it or if it just ran out of battery. So whatever you guys saw yesterday, that was the end. I didn't shut off the camera, it just died. So just continuing on with wrapping the front bumper. Sorry there wasn't a video yesterday. I had one to edit from months ago that I filmed, but I thought about it and I didn't want to do it because when school starts that's going to be even busier, so I'd rather have a backup then when I could just upload an extra one this week, since I am still going to get for this week. So that's the plan. You'll just get another one a day late. So let's just get on right into wrapping the bumper. Alright, so that bumper's all wrapped, and that's awesome. Still need to go back through and finish heat treating a couple parts, but for the most part it's good, and the battery's almost dead, so I thought I'd get this out of the way and then slap it on charger. So, that's what we have. It's all blacked out. Everything's black. There's a plate going over here, so that'll be blacked out anyway, but yeah, steps in the right direction. That's what I like to see. So that's pretty awesome. Shoot. Next thing today is I'm not sure, so I guess you'll just see what happens. Alright, so that's really about the end of this one. I don't know where I last cut off, but anyway, I finished up wrapping the front bumper, and then something happened. I don't even remember what happened the rest of the day, and then just anyway, time get by, my lady friend came over and we went and watched Crazy Rich Asians. Top quality movie, by the way. It's pretty good, but front bumper's wrapped. Look at that. And then kind of just, I guess, brought stuff up to my room. So I have my splitter, struts, canards, everything's up in my room ready to get some work done. So that'll be probably happening tomorrow's video. So that's really about it. This video is probably a little short, but hey, it's what it is. Took a long time to wrap, so it's great. Anyway, just like and subscribe, leave me in the comments, guys. Bye.